Очень тихо идет лодка, мотор почти не слышно. Yes, I'm okay. Thank you very much.
I'm just going to show you some pictures of what the canals used to be like.
Interesting.
Now, the canals were built for industry, not for living on, like now. And boats, this is where the family live. In there. The boats carried cargo. This is an old, 108-year-old boat.
Yes, I've read that.
Yep.
Yes.
So all of this was full of cargo. And the family lived here. No engine because horses pulled the boats. This pathway is for horses.
For horses.
So it's
and now it's
always
for cycles.
Too many cycles, yes.
Too many cycles.
But this was for horses. In the tunnel, there is no pathway. So, if you can see this top picture,
Yes.
two people are pushing the boat through the tunnel on the... I'll come into the daylight again.
Yes, yes.
Two people, and they're pushing with their feet to get the boat through the tunnel. And the horse was taken over the top of the tunnel, over there. And that's how it worked. I think this
It
is
was a difficult
a
job.
different
Yes.
way of looking at the canals then. And whole families lived just in that small cabin. Right up to the 1960s.
Interesting.
That's how the canals worked. Now we use the canals to live on. These
To
are
live on,
people's
nice.
homes.
In the boat?
All of those boats are people's homes.
Sure.
More than 23,000 of us live on the canals.
Interesting.
Now you have seen today this much of our canals. And this is Little Venice, and we're going to stop here. But this
Good
is
region.
a map of England. Now they are all canals, not roads.
All canals, so many.
More than 6,000 kilometres. We are here. We've taken you this much. And we're now on this orange. And if you go that way, keep going on the canal, you can go to Birmingham, to Wales, to Manchester, to everywhere in the country.
Okay, well.
But very slowly.
Very slowly.
This is how fast we go.
Yes. But for relaxing, it's very good.
We
It's
now
very
enjoy
good.
the canals because
Yeah.
they're slow. But that's why they stopped using them. Because they were too slow with road and railway transport.
Yes, to go to the sites, to the places where you want to come, the best way is the tube or bus.
Yeah, it's much
But
quicker.
this is for relaxing just
It's a pleasure.
after noise. Yes, it's a pleasure. After noising streets of the London, central London.
And
Yes.
this is what we do every day, going up and down to Camden, and we are right in the middle of London. And some places along the way, you couldn't see buildings, just trees and wildlife.
Yes.
And you could walk to Oxford Street in about 10 minutes. It's a different
Thank you
world.
very
It's a
much for
different
your
world.
telling.
We're going to be stopping just here.
Okay.
And Paddington Station is your best station. So you go to that side of the canal. You walk along the same as these people.
Yes, yes.
And you go past the boat with the mast, under the bridge, and at Paddington Station is just 2 or 3 minutes.
Okay.
And you don't need to go on the road.